Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So this is Chandana from XLR Solutions. So all are doing great. Guys, good evening. Yeah, I want to reply, right? Yeah, enough. So still people are joining. Inform to your friends also to join. So 5 more minutes. So exact 6:40 will start the session. Okay. Yes, I'm good. What about you? And today we have a quiz also, no? Yes, Kalyani, I'm fine. So thank you. What about you? Ma'am, is there any internship available in XLR? Yes, we have a paid internship available. You just drop an email to edl@xlr.com. So my team will help you on that. Okay, Impana? Please inform to your friends as well to join soon. Nagreddy, how can we join that internship, ma'am? Actually, we are providing paid courses in what upcoming, like some courses. So that's a data science, data analyst, full stack development, and all these things. So in that you will get an internship as well for 3 months or 6 months. Vijay Kumar, just drop an email to edl@xlr.com. So my team will explain about all the cost and price and all. So I'm mentioning the email ID in the chat box. Please take from there. Okay. Okay, this is for just a clarification of the internship price, ma'am. Is the internship is fair and affordable price? Yes, for that only I told that just drop an email to edl@xlr.com. Nagreddy, I got. I hope you got my point. Ma'am, these classes provide certificates. Yes, we are providing certificates for the who is having 60% attendance. So for them, we are giving certificates. Okay. So please attend daily classes. Anil, no. Ma'am, XLR have any stipend internship on Python? No, we don't have that. Okay, Priya, this is your first class. So how can I help you? Ma'am, class timings. This is 6:30 to 9 o'clock. Okay. Weekdays, we are going to 6:30 to 9, and weekends we have a Sunday sessions, that is 10:30 to 1 p.m. Okay, from YouTube, what is the fee structure and placement? Please tell for the software testing. Yes, Jyoti, just drop an email to edl@xlr.com. So my team will explain about that. At what time you are conducting the quiz, ma'am? So as usual, I'm conducting 8:30 to 9 p.m. So 30 minutes quiz. Okay, Nagiredi, how many topics are we are covering in these classes? I mean types. Yes. Nagiredi, we are covering five types of class, five types of topics that are quantitative aptitude, whatever now we are running, and logical reasoning, verbal ability, soft skills, and programming skills. Yeah, Ashwini. Actually, from your request, I'm creating one WhatsApp channel. So in the end of this session, I will send that link through the chat box. So up to then, wait. I will share that. Yes, Kiran Kumar. You will get all the recording sessions. So we will hand over the session to Sai Kiran now. Yes, Sai Kiran, you can take it up.
So yesterday we had simple and compound interest. Now what is the difference between simple and compound interest? What is the difference between simple and compound interest? Explain what is difference between simple and compound interest. In simple interest P is constant. Okay. Next. P does not change. Manikanta is saying that in essay principal amount is constant. Principal changes in compound interest. What are the different compoundings that are present? Hmm? Then only I'll be knowing how far you are getting point what I am explaining. So I have explained simple and compound interest, simple interest, compound interest, then relation between simple and compound interest. Am I correct? After that, all practice. Yeah, tell me. So I'll give you some questions now. You people should solve. Okay. I'll give you some questions now. You try to solve those and tell me the answer. Okay. So simple interest is calculated on the principal or original amount of a loan. Compound interest is calculated on uh, uh, the principal amount and the accumulated interest of previous amount. So half yearly compounding, yearly compounding. Yearly compounding means we will take directly principal. I mean rate of, if it is half yearly compounding, you are going to take R1 is R by 2. Quarter compounding means quarterly compounding is what we will do? Okay. So quarterly compounding means we are going to take R by 4. If it is monthly compounding, see, yesterday I told you to solve these questions. No, are you able to see the screen now? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, I correct. It is visible.
So yesterday I told you about the compounding. So now coming to the compounding, what did I tell? So compound interest, what is compound interest? I told you. So compounding, how we are going to calculate also I told you. Okay. Am I correct? So I told you to solve some questions and come. See, till this is yearly compounding, half yearly compounding. So for calculations also I have given 3 ways to you. 3 ways to you. Am I correct? I have given 3 ways to you. So those 3 ways I have explained you. And then after that, we have seen some questions on it. Then I told you the relation between simple and compound interest. Relation between simple and compound interest. In simple relation between simple and compound interest, what did I tell you? Like I told you how to calculate the difference using the formulas. How this formula has come also I told you, Do you remember how this formula has come also? I have given an explanation of it, and then I made you understand that, and I solved it for 2 years, but 3 years and 4 years I have directly given the formula, and I gave you some problems to solve. What is the answer for this one? Everyone comment. What is the answer for this? Yesterday I told you, no. Everyone comment the answer. Please comment the answer. Be fast. I want everyone to comment the answers. Yesterday I gave you 3 questions to solve. Please comment the answer. Nobody is answering. One person told it is 30. Bharat told 30. Vaibhav 18. Then everyone comment the answers. 3 questions I have given. This one and next question. What is the answer for this? For 2 years directly here we can use the formula. But for next one we can here also we can use the formula. Next. You people understood or not? Only few people are commenting. Only 5 or 6 people are commenting. Everyone comment. Anil Kumar 15,000. Next. Okay. So first comment answer for first one. Be fast. How much it is? PR square equal to 5,000 into 6 by 100 whole power t. Am I correct? See, unless everyone comments, we cannot move forward. Very good. How much it is? So do you want me to solve? Or else you solved. Do you want me to solve or you people solved? Some people are commenting 18, some people are commenting 30. Hmm? See, when I give something to work out, it means that I really mean when I give something for working out. If this is the case, direct substitution, can't I tell? We have around 250 members in Zoom and around 100 members in YouTube. But answers I am getting only from 10, 15, 20 members max. What does that mean? Hmm? So in this question, what is he saying? The difference between simple interest and compound interest for difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years is how much? For 2 years is 1 minute. Okay. Are you able to see the screens? Are you on the screen?
Yes, Sai Kiran.
Yeah. So now what is the answer? PR square equal to what? PR square into for us 5,000. So 5,000 into 6% by 100 whole square equal to how much we have to calculate. From that, how much did you get? So 18 or 30, please confirm me once. Everyone, I'll do one thing. I'll give you some new questions to solve for. So you solve those questions and comment the answers. Meanwhile, I'll start telling these. Okay, I'll give you 3 questions. I want you people to solve those questions. Okay. So one, already we have seen, I have given some questions yesterday, no? So along with that, I'll give you some more questions now. 1 minute. So I'll just give you 3 minutes time period. So in that 3 minutes time period, you have to solve all these questions. Audible and the screen questions are visible now. I want you people to solve these 3 questions. You solve these 3 questions for me. So these 3 questions I want everyone to solve and tell. I'll just give you 3 minutes time period. Solve these and tell us. Be fast. I'm audible now, right?
Yes, Sai Kiran, you're audible.
So now I want everyone to solve these 3 questions and tell me the answers fast. Very important. All these are previous questions only. You solve these and answers. Whatever logics I told you yesterday in class, those you should know. So in the first question, what did I tell? In the first question, find the compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum for 3 years, and that principal which in 3 rate of 10% per annum gives 300 as simple interest. See, in relation between simple and compound interest, we have already seen questions based on differences. When he asks you to find out the difference between simple and compound interest, we have done. Now he'll give you simple interest data and he'll tell you to find out compound interest data. Or else he'll give you compound interest data and he'll tell you to find out simple interest data. Okay, these three questions are similar. In one question, he'll give you simple interest data and he'll tell you to find out compound interest data. In another question, he has given compound interest data and he told you to find out simple interest data. Try to do that. Try to do those. So for 3 years, simple interest is 300, it seems. Now we should find out compound interest for 3 years. Everyone comment it. Everyone, I want everyone to comment. So 331 is for which question? $331 is for which question? Is that along with the question number you are? And 5% for second question, Kumar commented. Ravati, 1 for first one. Pranita, 331. Everyone, please try to comment answer for these. These are very important. You can expect these questions in the nations. So in the first one, he told that it is 3 years compound will get something. In simple interest, it is 300 at 10 per annum. And in the second question, he gave principal and years and interest also important. He's telling you to find out. What is he telling you to find out? Rate of interest per annum. There are two ways. Second way I'll be telling. First way is that A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T. How much? 4410. Okay. Time period is 2 years. Rate of interest we have to find out. Third one. First one he has given simple interest data. In the second one he has given compound. Third one he has given compound interest data and he told you to find out simple interest. Everyone please comment the answer. For first one, C31 is correct. Very good. Now what is okay? Third one, what is the answer? Third one and second one are important. If second one is known, third one is easy. In the first one, that in simple interest, it is 300. Simple interest, 300 for 3 years. Am I correct? It is 300 for. So it means that for 1 year, how much is the interest? For 1 year, it is 100. For 1 year, it is 100. Here it is 100. For 1 year is 100. So now coming to compound interest. So it means that say that I for 1 is 100. So in CAE, if you have the data, in CAE, if you go for the what happens? In CAE, it's 10%. 10%. 10%. Compound interest also is 10%, and in simple interest also it is 10%. Of interest is 10% in both. Rate of interest is 10% in both. Rate of interest is 10% in both. So it means that I say that in compound interest also first year interest will be same. Remember, in simple and compound interest both rate of interest is same and principal is same. Means what is the difference for first difference between simple and compound interest? What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest for the first year? What difference? I told you in the last class. Remember or not? Zero. Okay. Similarly,
Cycron, you are not audible.
compound also it will be same. In compound interest also it's going to be same. So first year rate of interest in simple and compound interest both it will be same. Am I correct? Am I correct? So next year again what in compound interest 10% means what we'll do? 10% is how much? 10% is previous year interest 10% of 10% of 100. So it should be how much? 110. Am I correct? 100 plus 10, that is how much? 110. Next year again how much? Next year again it is going to be 10%. So 10% is how much? 1. So now clearly explain the question entirely. See. So neatly I'll write and explain. So what happens now? In the question he is saying that first initially it is going to be simple. So principal doesn't know. Time period is 3 years. Of interest is 10 annum. Interest for 3 years is 3. Time period is same. Rate of interest is percent again. Interest is how much? This is the question. General way of doing. The general way of doing would be like. General way of doing would be from this we'll find out p value. P value I'll find. So p if you find out and then if this you'll get the answer. Okay, amount will from that we'll get the difference. One way of doing. But what I suggest is you don't go with this. From interest, can I say that? From simple interest, tell that here I for 3 years. I 3 years is much. 3 years is 300. For 1 year it is going to 100. Am I correct? Please confirm that it is correct or not. For 1 year it's correct. See, remember yesterday, first year simple interest and compound interest will be same when principal is same. Am I correct? Here also principal here both are same, no? Both are same. Can I say in compound interest, principal is not required for me. So now 10% will be 100. First year interest is same. Interest is same. So if you want note down, if P and R same in CA and SI. CA and SI. Then I for first year in SI and C will be same. Can we put this? SI and CI will be same. Can we or not? Please confirm me whether put this point or not. Okay. So now first year here, can I put this? First year, no. So next year compound interest, what happens? This first year is over now. Now second year, what will happen? Second year interest 10% again. That is nothing but previous year interest plus 10% of 10. So next year, third year. So for third year, what will happen? Third year, 10% again. So that is 110 plus 10% of that, that is 11. So 121. So all together for 3 years. Understood this question, everyone? So the most important question that come in relation between simple and compound interest is he will give you interest data and he will to find out compound interest data. Or else he will give interest data and he will tell you to find out simple interest data. Understood, everyone? If you are okay with this question, I'll go next question. So next question I want to tell, that is very important for us. That is why. Are you with this question? Please inform me whether you people okay or not. Okay. Okay. If further it continues, I'll do something else. Next question. So what is the next question that he has given? So he told that principal is 4,000. Rate of interest is how much? Interest is 410. Time period is 2 years. Time period 2 years in compound interest. Okay, this is a question here. This is a question. Chandra, now voice is okay, no?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. So this question here, one way it is very simple. If you want to A into 1 plus I 100 whole power t. A equal to P into 1 plus by 100 whole power t. This will become 4 that equals 1000 into 1 plus R by whole value. This is simple. But for next question, I want people to use the logic I tell now. Okay, for this we'll get R equal to 5%, I think. R equal to 5%. Everybody get R equal to 5% for this question. Did you all get R equal to 5%? Okay. Now I tell one logic here. Please listen very carefully. Okay. See. CA 2 years. CA for 2 years is how much? 2 years 410. Divide this into 2 parts. Divide this into 2 parts. If you divide this into 2 first year and second, what we will do? 2 equal parts you divide. 2, 5 and 5. Is it simple interest or compound interest? Is it simple interest or compound interest? Please confirm one. If we are dividing equally into our first year and second year, is it simple interest or compound interest? Vaibhav commented simple. Renin commented simple. Okay. So, we are talking about compound interest. We are talking about compound interest. So, in compound interest, first year interest will be less than second year. Second year interest more than first. Third year interest will be more than second year. Fourth interest will be more than third year. Am I correct? So what I am to do is, I'll reduce this to, okay, first year interest, I'll reduce to a number less than, and it should be near 10 multiple. So 5 less than 205 and nearest to 10. What is the number that is? 205 less than that, we should have 1 multiple. That should be very near to 205. That 10 multiple very nearer to 205 is which one? Please confirm. B for multiple which is nearer to 205. Multiple which is nearer to 205. 10 multiple which is nearer to 205 is what? Multiple which is nearer to 2. So 2 nearest 10 multiples with 200 and 2 should get one which is less than this 205. So round it off to 200. Round it off to 200. Remaining number you add here. 205 plus, okay, that will become, can I write it as 200 plus 10? 200 plus 10. Do you remember earlier when we solved? Do you remember like this? So do you remember this? First 100, 40%. 40% means 40. Next year 40%. 40% means 40 plus 16. This is how we solved the component. It is like that. First year interest is 200. First year interest is 200. Next year interest is plus 10. Is it similar like similar or not? So now rate of interest will be this 10 is what percent of 200? That will be our rate of interest. 10 is will be our 5% is our rate of interest. Okay. 10 is what percent of it is 5%. See, again, repeat this. If at all, if anybody is having doubt, you listen to this very carefully. This is very important for next question so that we can use the shortcut. So first one, that compound interest for 2 years is 410. So convert this and divide this into parts, 2 equal parts. So this is first year compound interest. This is second year compound interest. Then immediately what is this one, we are going to round it off. Nearest 10 multiple should be less than this. So it is 200. Remaining number we are going to add here, 205 plus 5. This can add plus 10 of this 200, that will be our rate of interest. 200 into 100%. So this is a 5%. That's it. Okay. Now understand this point, everyone. So in the next question, I am going to use so. So I am telling you, asking you. If you are all of this logic, then only I'll go for next question. Are you all okay with this logic? Why you commented? What about others? If you are facing any problem, tell me. Sir, we can also solve by option verification. This question you can get with option verification, Siddharth. But this very simple question, you simply not going anything. So if you want to go with the option I have given yesterday, 5% will give you 200. 5% will give you, this is 4,200. This will be 210. So totally together it is 440. That's it. You'll directly get. The reason why I told you this method for this simple is that I'm going to use this in previous question again. This question I am going to use. That is why I told you. Okay, Siddhartha? Are you okay? Third question. This is one of the most important questions. See, what did he tell you? He says that the compound interest on a sum at 5% per annum. At 5% per annum for 2 years is for 2 years is 328 rupees 328. Now what we should find out? Find IM sum same period at same rate. Is this the Okay, for this to use that logic. See, earlier we said a question on simple interest. This one. Here he gave it and he told to note compound interest. We can use this logic because this logic we can use. Why? Why? Because in simple interest it is easy to do. In simple interest it is easy for us to do. If simple interest for number of years, we can directly divide by number of years and 1 year rate of it. Correct? Am I correct or not? But in compound interest, what happens? No, we cannot get that directly. So in compound interest, cannot get that directly. So I'll use the logic I told earlier. Okay. So now what in CI, the data is that principal we doesn't know. Interest is 320. Time period is 2 years. Rate of interest is how much? 5%. What we should do now in SI, the same principal P, interest will time is 2 years, rate is 5%. So is that first we should find out principal here. And we should substitute here and then get the value of I. Okay, that is calculated. What I do is see in CI told that CI for us is how much? CI for 2 years. CI for 2 years. CI for 2 years is how much now? CI years equal to 328. So it means first day, how much? 164. Second year also it should be 164. So this what we'll do, how much you will round it? To how much you are going to round? To how much you are going to round it? 164 we can do how much? 160. So this will be 164 plus, can I write it as 160 plus 8? It's 8, 5 of 160. Is it satisfying this point? So it means that CI for first year 60. That means that S for 1 year is equal to 160. So if it is for 1 year, 2, so it is going to be 320. That's it. Simple. See, to look out, it might find it difficult, but it is very easy. For 2 years, compound interest is given, and you are asked interest for 2 years. So first year compound interest, if you find the same, it will be for first year simple interest. And when you ask to find out number of years interest, simple interest, if you know 1 year interest, number of years will give you total interest for the given years. Okay. These 3 questions are very frequent by examination. Actually, first question and third question are frequent in exam, giving simple interest and asking compound interest data, or else giving compound interest and asking interest data. These are very important in the exam. Are you all okay with this? Okay with this? I'll go for time and work now. I'll go for time and work. Once again, Sir Murali Krishna. I solved it by taking principal as 100. You can take it and do, but in this case, why you should assume principal as 100? You tell me. When you are able to get the value directly in single step, what is the need of taking and then doing? That is what I wanted to tell you. You don't take any values. You can directly, without getting the value of itself, you can do no. is the need of going for finding principal? Siddhartha, you understood what an aptitude question, if it is given, it can be done in n number of ways. But the person who does it in the strict accuracy and less number of calculations will be awarded. He is the best. If I give a question for 10 people here in this, so 10 people will solve it in a 10 different ways. Or else there are 7 people who solve it same way, 3 people solve in 3 different ways. All will get the correct answer. The thing is that the person who calculates less and who gets the answer quickly, you should be in that. Okay. So CA for 2 years it is 38. CA years. So interest again I'll explain who asked me to explain Murali Krishna. So this is for years, no. So what I will do, I'll divide first year and second year. If I divide 4 to nearest 10 multiple lower one. So this will become 164 plus 4. So it is going to be 160. I want to assure that this division of mine is correct. So 8 is 5 correctly. CI for first year. CI for first year is now 160. And CI for first year is 160. So SI for first year will be SI for 1 year is 160. So 2 years it is going to be 160. Okay. Understood now, Murali Krishna? Okay. So are you all okay with this concept? Whatever questions I told you, try to complete in the given stipulated time period. Try to practice and apply our logics. So anyway, our people will be conducting examination tomorrow again in simple test. Okay. So if you have doubts in that also you can ask me. So now if you are all okay with simple and compound interest, I'll go for time and work. You all okay? Please confirm whether you people are okay. Please confirm me. Okay. So only Murali Krishna and Guy. Okay, what about others? Are you all okay or not? Please confirm me. Please confirm me whether you people are okay or not. Navya, Vaibhav, Durga Prasad. Okay. Now I'll go for time and work. Okay. So let me explain time and work. So work done. Do you remember this question of time and work? Do you remember dependent model of percentages? Dependent model of percentages. Do you remember or not? Do you remember? Okay. Everybody told okay. Into time and work. This is one of the most important topic examinations. Work is very important. Go for getting around 4 from it. Time and work and distance together, you'll get around 4 questions. Insurance examination have 3 questions, and in data interpreting 5 questions. Gate examination. Many people are asking me about gate examination in my Instagram also. In my Instagram also, they are asking me many questions. Don't know how they. Okay. Anyway, so gate examination also you'll be getting 3 marks weightage. When you go for CAT, you'll get 6 marks weightage. Okay. When you go for SSC examination or railways examination or any state government exam, possibility of giving 2 questions. Okay. So work done will depend on 3 factors. Work done is going to depend on 3 factors. That is number of numbers, hours per day. 2 are other variables. Then we are going to use a product. I'll explain in partner fund shares. Okay, partnership fund shares are not going to not use any formula, only dependent concept. Then it will be easy for you. Or else get some calculation. So what I do is, so I always use this. I already told you, no, base quant will be averages, ratio, percentages. Whatever concept, the same I will be using in all other. So work done will depend on 3: number of men, number of days, and number of hours per day. So from this, can I say that double equal to what? W equal D and H. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. It is being 1 minute. One minute. 1 minute. So work done will depend on 3 factors. That is number of days and number of hours per day. So now W equal to what? N into days into that W1 by W2 equal to M1 D1 H1 by M2 D2 H2. I will not use any form. Just I am showing you. This will be there in the book. So I am for own logics. So just copy this and put. You copy this and put. Next relation 1 30. Do you remember this variations? Relation 1, I'll go to that slide again. Relation 1, do you know, remember variation in W equal to MD? Okay, if H is not given, consider that. Okay, if H is not given, we are not going to consider that. going to consider that. So in W equal to MD, if at all, if you are maintaining this W constant, all be linking of pre-topics only. We are not using any formulas. Okay? We are not using any formulas. We are going with the no formula aptitude. That is my concept or XLR concept. Formula aptitude only we will going. And we are going with the tricks. For each question, I am not giving one trick. For entire topic, we are using the so the variation topic, what concept we use here, that I'll use here. So in if work is constant, then what is the relation between men and days? Comment every if work is constant, what is the relation between men and days? Proportional, no? Okay, remaining and all you can tell later. See, in case of A is inversely proportional to B, what did I do? A equal to K by B I put. Now here, in this case, in W equal to M, then K by M D equal to M. Is it similar to this? So, when work constant, this is constant. When this is constant, the relation between men and days will be inversely. What does that mean? It means that men increases, days, if men decreases, days increase. Okay? Oh. So, what I'll show you this practice. So, work is constant. Suppose some work is there, we'll do it in one man can do a work in 60 days. One person is doing it in 60 days. You assume that the work is to shift a luggage one another house. Okay, or else to construct a wall for one person, it will take to construct a wall for one person, it is take 60 days. So for two people, how many days it will take? For two people, how many days? For two people, comment everyone. Be fast, please. For one person, construct a wall, it is taking 60 days. Two people, it will take how many days? Mahesh 20, Harika 20, Vaibhav 20, 120 hours, that one. Okay, for one fellow, it is taking 60 days. For two people, it take 30 days. Now, similar capacity people, three people. When three people are there, how many days it will take? For how many days it will take? For three people, it takes. Am I correct? For three people, it will take 20 days. So here, what I know? Men is into 2. When men is into 2, days became divided by 2. Men is into 2, days became divided by 2. Now, when men are into 3, what about days? Days are divided by 3. Satisfied inversely proportional? Do you agree or not? Is it satisfying inversely proportional or not? So now the same thing I'll use other way. I'll do one more way. So for men, it is taking D days. Now for 2mn, how many days it will take? For 2mn, how it should take? For mn, it took D days. For 2mn, it should take. So men is into 2, no? Yes. It is D by 2 days. Suppose 3 by 4 men. So this is into 3 by 4. What about this now? Days is into 4 by 3. So that's it. Okay, inversely proportional concept variation. Okay, so now if man ratio is A is to B, then day ratio will be B is to A. If day ratio is A to B, man ratio will. Okay. Okay. This you keep in mind. Now, try. You are okay with this basic relation one, no? You are okay with this, no? Okay. Now we'll try to solve the question. A is as B and B is rise as fast as C, and together they can complete a work in 10 days. Don't put, just listen to what I tell and you try to answer me. Okay. In term, A is twice as fast as B, thrice as fast as C. So can it add A 2B? So A will be okay. So A, B, and C all together are doing the work in 10 days. They are doing in 10 days. It means that 6C plus 3C plus C in 10 days. Are doing in 10 days. Now 10C will do in 10 days. 10C will days. Now C alone I should tell. C alone how many days? Don't put any pen and paper. Just answer me immediately, very fast. Fraction of seconds I want the answer. 10C will do in 10 days. C alone days. Vaibhav one. Everyone. Sarika, Revati 1. Gayatri 1. Mahesh 1. Pratik 1. So 3 people commented 100. Tanim also commented 100. Okay. See, These kind of questions are very important in the examination. What we do know, we see the question and immediately put the answer in fraction of seconds, and we'll come out of the examination and tell, "Arey, it is very easy. Exam paper was very easy." But here, everybody will put one. 99.99% people immediately they'll put away one, but one is not correct. Okay. Now let us come to the case of. Let us come to the case of this time and work. This is men. That is why I did not. That is why I did not equate here. That is why I did equate here. Now men and days, if you take up men and so don't put equal. So now logic think this. For 10 people, it's taking 10 days to construct a wall. For 10 people, it is 10 days to construct. For one person, what will happen? It take more than 10 or less than 10. If it is taking 10 to construct a wall, for one person, it will take more than 10, less than 10. It will take more than 10 or less than more, no? So, A plus B plus is men and 10 is days. 10C will in 10 days. Single C will do in how days? So, this is divided by 10. So, this should be how much? This should be into 10. So, how many days? 100 days. That's it. Okay. Understood? How 100 days? Understood now? Those who commented were clear. For sure, you have, I bet, for sure you have one question based this relation in the examination for your placement. For sure. You are all clear now? So, see this code and try to ask me this. Be fast. So by using ratios, you can do by ratios also. That also I'll tell. In chain rule, I'll use that concept. Okay, chain rule, I'll use that concept and I'll tell you. Solve the 120, B 120. Everyone is maintaining 120. Okay. So I want A value also I want. A value also to be solved. Okay, tell now. So A4 is 20 Navya. Okay, anyway, I'll tell now. A is 4 times as fast as B. A is 4 times as fast as B. In terms of men, 1A is equal to 4B. So now coming to men and days, what is he saying? Coming to men and days, he is saying that it is 24 days. A plus B is 24 days. This is plus B 24 days. Is 24 days. Okay, now B alone we should tell. So for B, this is divided by 5. So this should be how much? Into 5. So how much on is 120 days. Very much happy with this. Also, we should find out A equal to how much? A, am I correct? So now what about this one? When 120 by 4, that is 30 days. One is 30 days. Very important concept. Okay. Very important concept. Understood everyone? B is 120, A is 30. How you understood now? Give you one more problem, will you? Wait, I'll give one more problem to 1 minute. And an empty slide and I'll give. Is A is more efficient. %50 more efficient. B can complete a work in 30 days. 30 days. Full stop. In how many days? In how will B alone complete work. Complete work. Second one, A and B will complete the work. A and B together. So can you people solve this question for me? Sarika's screen got stuck. No, I'm viewing in one more device also. I think it is fine, I think. I'm viewing in one more device also. Okay. Now B 75, 100, sorry, 125 above. B, we'll see now. See this. First of all, A equal to B plus 50% of B. This is what. So can I tell that A equal to B plus 1 by 2B? So A B. A equal to 3 by 2B. From this B equal 2 by 3 A. Am I correct? So days, men and days if you take. Now B equal to what? 2 by A, no? 2 by 3A. So this is into 2. This is into 3. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. Am I correct? Into 2. So and 2 15s. So B alone will do in 40. I think none counted 45. I think none counted 45. 100 now. So these kind of are very important in the exam. That is why I give you a trick one. So who commented? Junadi. Yasmin commented 45. Very good. Good Yasmin. B 45 every is fine, no? Now A plus B will be how much? A plus B will be A to B plus B. So that is 5 by 2B. So A plus B equal to 5 by 2B. This is into 5 by 2. So this should be into 2 by 5. So 45 into 2 by 5 is how much? 5 ones and 5 nines. So how many days, sir? 18 days. A and B together how many days? 18 days. Understood? Understood? Eighteen days. So now everybody understood this. Okay. So you must, for sure you're going to have one question from this model. For sure you are going to have one question from this model. All okay with this relation one of time and work? Please tell me whether you people are okay or not. Shall I give you a question also? Will you solve? Shall I give you one more question? One more question I give. B is 1% of A, comma, A can complete a work in 240 days. Then in how many days? In how many days he alone can complete? Second one is A and B together will complete. Yeah, together will complete. Okay. A can do in 30 days. He already gave in the question of previous one. That we are. Why we are bothered? Humble.
Sai Kiran, 8:30 we have a quiz.
Yeah, Chandana. Last one question. This question I will tell and I.
Sure, you can take.
Is it fine? Okay. B is 120% of A. So B percent means 120% means 6 by 5. That's all now. How you will percentage to fraction? You divide by 100, you will get fraction. So A can complete a work in how many days? 240 days. So B will 6 by 5 A. So this is into 6 by 5 by 6. 6 ones and 40. So B is 200. B alone 200 days. Now A and B together. A and B together, if you take A plus B, A B. So can I convert it to how much? So this is A plus 6 by 5B. Okay. So this is 11 by 5B. So this will be 11 by 5B. So from here to here, somewhere I did a mistake. 1 minute, 1 minute. A plus B is how much? Here I took it in the minute. Sorry. I want to convert B, no? Whatever value you want, you come easily, no problem. Okay. So now A plus B is nothing but A plus 6 by 5A. I'll convert to B. So if I convert to B, 5 by 6B plus, so then this will be by 6B. Am I correct? 11 by 6B. So A plus is equal to 11 by 6B. I'm converting it, no. Here I B, no. So I will convert everything into B variable. Here if I have A, I'll convert everything into A. So whatever you like, you can convert. So this is into 11 by 6. This will be into 6 by 11. So 200 into 6 by 11. So 2 to 6 by 11 means that is by 11. 1200 by 11 means how much? So tens. Again, how much? How much it will left out? 1000 will be left out now. 109. 109. So again, how much will be left out? 1 by 11 days. Or else you take 1200 by 11 days. 1200 by 11. So if answer fractions, you put fractions. If it is in mixed fractions, you have to convert to mixed fractions. You convert it to mixed fractions. That's all. So that is 1 by 11. That's it. Understood how to do this concept? By 5. Ravati, you were there from the starting, no? So 120% means how much? 120% means how much? You do 120%. How will you convert to fractions? 120 by 100, 26 and 25. So it is 6 by 5. That is very simple, no? One ten. Okay. 110. 110 will not completely will come. 109 only will come. You check from your side. Shana? Ravati, you are okay now? So are you all with the relation 1 of time and work? Are you all okay with the relation 1 of time and work? Okay. So I'll be continuing this time and work and both will complete in my next class. Okay. All the best for the examination. Hope the good work going. Is anybody having any doubts? Or else Chandana will conduct examination.
Yeah.
How
Okay.
was the class? How was it? Was it okay? Sheikh Tasina, this is just a relation. For this, you have the ratios method also that I'll give you. You can't understand last, but okay, no problem. Next class when I start, we'll start from base again. This question I'll explain and I'll give you. Okay. Thank you, Tasina. Good sir. Okay. Okay. Chandana, you can go and conduct the exam for them.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Chandana.
Yeah, thank you so much. Guys, hope you enjoy the session. So be ready for the test. So I'm sharing the link now. Yeah, I shared test link now. So all the best, everyone. Think twice before mark your answer. Okay. All the best, everyone. So I given 25 questions and okay, before that, guys, I'm sharing one WhatsApp channel. Please log in into that. So I'm updating daily the Zoom links, YouTube links, whatever updates we are done doing in the SkillUp final years. So there you can able to see. Okay, we'll update in that. Before attendance, I'm sharing the WhatsApp link, guys. So please join WhatsApp group. So it is very useful to you. Further information and give to your friends as well. Okay, further informations you will get from this WhatsApp channel. So guys, I need everybody to join. Attendance link I will give. I'm not going anywhere. Please wait. Everybody, I'm requesting to join. Okay, my voice is low. Yeah. Everybody, I'm requesting, please join in this WhatsApp link. Yes, I need everybody to join because no one want to lose the knowledge, right? So that's why. Okay, joined. Ruchita, just check from your side. Once again, I'm sharing the link again. From YouTube, everybody joined. What is the end time of quiz, ma'am? It's 9:05. After joining this, so let me know. After that, I will share attendance link. Okay, many people got 50 out of 50. Guys, let me know in the chat box that you people are joined or not in the WhatsApp group. Joined, not able to join through link. So why everybody is telling that they are joined? So guys who are not able to join, please check again from your side whether your device is perfect or not. Okay, yes ma'am, joined. Okay, great. Yeah, I know everybody is waiting for attendance. Yes, let me share that as well. So I don't want to wait. And one more thing, guys, follow this Telegram as well. So you will get live updates. I'm sharing Telegram also, both from YouTube and Zoom. Ma'am, do you know Telugu? Yes, yes. I know all languages. Okay, I hope everybody joined in Telegram as well. So let me know that as well. So I will share the attendance link. Ma'am, do you know Malayalam? No, no, no. I don't know. Okay, join. Great. So it's a time for attendance. Guys, please mark your attendance. So that meanwhile I will share top 10. I'm also ready with the top 10. Okay, send link. Yes, I'm sharing that. Just a minute. I'm preparing this top 10 list. Okay. So somebody is asking about, please send once again WhatsApp group, ma'am. Yes, I will send that as well. Guys, you want attendance link? Okay, this is our top 10. So congratulations, guys. I saw that 50 members got 50 out of 50. Congratulations. Well practiced and well done. And remaining people don't get upset. Be practice. We have a many tests before. We'll show there. Okay. That's it, ma'am. Good night. Yeah, Banu. Good night. Whoever unable to join WhatsApp community, try to update your WhatsApp, ma'am. Okay. Ravindra, just drop an email to edl@exceller.com so I will inform. Okay. Attendance link. Yes, I will share that. Okay. I will stop my screen and I will share the WhatsApp group as well. So guys, any queries? So everyone got WhatsApp link, attendance link, all right? So anyone missed, please let me know. I will share. Ma'am, try to show top 20. Okay, next time. Jadhav, not share on YouTube. What do you want? Which link you want? Tell me, I will share. See, now I'm sharing WhatsApp link, and in the pin you will get attendance link. Do you have class tomorrow? Yes, we have a class. And tomorrow we have a quiz as well. Okay, on compound and simple interest. And whoever not able to join WhatsApp group, just drop an email to edel@excelor.com that we are not able to joining SkillUp WhatsApp channel. So that we will try to join from ourselves. Okay. Okay, guys. Nobody wants this WhatsApp group, right? Or else I will share again that this WhatsApp group. Again, I will share attendance one. Good night. So, if you don't have any queries, you can go and just have your dinner. So it got 9 o'clock, right? Okay. Telegram link I shared. Attendance link also I will share. Work related issues. Sharma, I didn't what you're asking. Harsha, ma'am, you're not replying me. Where is your question, Harsha? I didn't see. Let me check before. Yes, ma'am, over. Your exam over or what? Yes, guys, I'm sharing the attendance link. Ma'am, internship link, please. So we don't have an internship link. You just drop an email to edel@excelor.com, okay? So I'm mentioning the mail ID in the chat box. Okay, guys. Attendance link. Yes, I will share. Yeah, whoever filled, mark your attendance and don't have any queries, you can leave. Good night, ma'am. Good night. Guys, whoever having personal chat, you just do your WhatsApp groups, okay? Not in the YouTube. Harsha. So, okay. Any link required now? Anybody missed anything? Thank you so much. Guys, no queries, right? So we'll wind up the session. Ma'am, only top 10 students are considering for upcoming XLR placement, ma'am. No, it's not like that. Okay, we will check your improvements as well, you know. So for 1 day quiz, we can't take them top right. Every quiz you have to attend perfectly, and in the final exam also same. It's okay. Next time don't repeat it. Harsha, ma'am will share attendance in WhatsApp group. Okay, I will share that also in the WhatsApp group. But you guys are very intelligent. You are not attending at classes and you want attendance link. How it is possible, Gopinath? Okay, I hope there is no more questions. Ma'am, how to join in WhatsApp group? Okay, I will share the link. So from YouTube, any questions or else we'll wind up this session. Guys, reply now. No questions, right? Okay. I understand you're silent. Okay, good night, everyone. We'll meet on tomorrow. So up to then, take care. Prepare for next exam. Tomorrow quiz. Simple and compound interest. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Bye bye. Take care. Go and have your food. Bye.